What up? We doing DTF transfers today.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative.
What up, money gang? It's your girl, Monique, the favorite money making queen of all. But y'all, this week y'all had to come show y'all me doing the Black History Month shirts, and from last month, I mean, it's Black History all day, every day, 365 days a year. But this was for the holiday, and y'all, this was my first holiday. Your girl was on time. Like, I got everything done for the month. Maybe because it was a month. Don't judge me, but you could wear it all month long. If it was just one particular day, because y'all know I ain't got St. Patrick's Day together. But we about to get in this video of us doing DTF, and we're going to get back into it. Okay, let's get into these DTF transfer. Do you see those colors? Like, oh my goodness, like I think I have fell in love. I don't have not did none with no vinyl, no sublimation, because you know my sublimation, the printer still broke. We ain't even gonna talk about that. But DTF has become my favorite way of doing my customized shirts or any of my graphic designs on apparel. Like, it's fast. It's on, and it's just the colors just so vibrant. It's beautiful. So this company that I got these from is called DTFvirginia.com. That's their website. It's called DTF Virginia. I'll leave it in the description box for you as well. You know, when I found this company, I was so I've been skeptical. Everybody been talking about DTF, DTF, DTF. I'm like, I'm gonna try it. So I would look up the website to see different websites and everything. So this DTF Virginia came. Oh, okay, you from Virginia. Y'all know I'm all about putting VA on the map. You know, VA's two up, two down. But then I looked at the area, y'all. And he won't number like an hour and a half from me. And he had shipping or pickup. Oh my goodness. Y'all. I was shopping for joy. And my first time ordering from him, I messed up my order. And I was able to call him. Woo, we had a conversation. It was a man. Yeah, I know your girl's single. He had a nice voice and everything, but he was real sweet, and he was able to fix my order and everything. So I started doing business with him. I wanted to pick up my order. I got lost. I ended up at the man's house instead of the shop, the office to pick up my ship my package. Oh my god, yeah, I was outside the man's house late at night because it was like, oh my god, I had to think it had to be about 10:30, 11 o'clock at night, and I'm outside this man's house. He had a nice neighborhood, and it was just, oh my god, it was crazy. But he was real nice and sweet because I called him and he was emailing me, and he was like, "No, you outside my house," and he gave me the actual address to the store. Your girl be doing too much. I told y'all, I be doing too much sometimes. Sometimes I be moving a little bit too fast, and I'm trying to not do that this year. I'm trying to work on my time management and everything this year. Yeah, that's one of the crazy moments of my life of running this business. So let me tell y'all how the DTF work. You set your heat press on about 320, no higher than 320, cause he say 310, but I always go about 5 or 10 more than what they say, depending on, cause I buy my heat presses off Amazon. So they good quality, but you know it works for me. I always wanted to be sure. It's better safe than sorry, as they say. And you only press it for about 15 minutes. After you press it for 15 minutes, you let it cool down. I've learned that with a lot of color, you let it cool down. If it's one color, you can peel it, sometimes hot peel it. But I've learned to be on the safe side and let it cool down. After it cool down for that 15 minutes, then you take the protector sheet off and you'll heat press it for about 5 seconds with a Tuffler sheet on top or some type of butcher paper. But it's that simple. It was nice and easy. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to end this video. If you are new to my channel, I hope you enjoyed this video and will make you want to hit that subscribe button and that bell before you leave, because your girl be over here making money. And if you want to make this money, more than welcome to. If y'all want me to try any projects, because I'm just a crafter, I love crafting, and I'm down for it. I got all kind of machines. Yeah, I think I'm giving up on sublimation. I ain't sure, but as always, Money Gang, y'all know I'm gonna chase that money. Hope y'all do the same. Have a wonderful week. Chase your goals, your dreams. Love y'all always. Till next time, Money Gang. Your girl is out. Chasing that money. Peace.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.